Dell Technologies World 2021 kicked off yesterday, continues today. The company laying out its vision, including Apex, its new as-a-service offering. For more, here's founder and CEO Michael Dell. Michael, great to have you. Want to talk about cloud and the vision, but start off with the current new shape of Dell after announcing the VMware and Boomi spin-offs. You say that you're going to continue to have this working relationship with VMware. Customers won't really notice a difference, but explain what's the new focus and shape of Dell Technologies after these spins?
So, look, today we have announced that we're moving our whole business to as a service and on demand, and Apex is now live. For us, this is a big TAM expansion, and customers have been telling us, and we've been growing our on-demand kind of cloud experience business. And this allows us to provide flexible consumption, scalability, simplicity. Right now, we're offering our Apex data storage services. This is done in a very transparent way as far as pricing, no overage fees. We're rolling out our Apex hybrid and Apex private cloud, which integrates compute, network, and storage together. Our Apex Flex on Demand, which allows customers to scale up and down as their demands change and pay for what they use. And our Apex Data Center Utility, which provides incredible flexibility in metering and managed services across their entire data center. And, this combined with the growth at the edge, we think 75% of the data will be outside of a traditional cloud or data center within 5 years, and there'll be tremendous growth at the edge. Together with the capabilities that we continue to build, co-engineered solutions with VMware,
right.
Very excited about the future.
Well, I mean, that's part of this narrative that we've been talking about for a while, that public cloud alone isn't everything. Explain why the edge is going to be important, and that's everything from smartphones, PCs, things that are not in the cloud or in the data center, but are really close to the user, whoever the user happens to be. How does that fit into the narrative around things like AI?
John, so think about the edge as the actual real world, the physical world, and what's happening is everything is becoming intelligent and increasingly connected. And so applications, spring up where that data is being generated, and bringing all that data back to the center, whether it's a private data center or a public cloud, doesn't make sense. And that's why analysts are predicting that by 2025, as I said, 75% of the data is going to be outside of those traditional clouds, public or private or data centers. Mm-hmm. And so what you're going to have is distributed intelligence and compute that allows for real-time processing. And we're already seeing these edge applications emerge in a significant way in manufacturing, in retail, and healthcare. In the fourth quarter, we had hundreds of edge customers already emerging as a pretty significant part of our business. So
right.
we see this as a big area of growth. And 5G is just a massive accelerator there.
Yeah.
Of course, there's so much data. Humans can't reason over it. You need artificial intelligence and machine learning.